You a jerk, I know. You a jerk, I know. You a jerk. Oh my gosh, don't quit your day job, Jay. This is the RUNS T15 Basic Treadmill, and it's starting to become one of my favorite finds of the year. It supports up to 300 pounds and goes up to 10 miles per hour. It has an immersive Zwift app virtual running experience, and the price point is at $500. Not bad at all. So we're gonna check out this treadmill today and all its features and see if it's worth all the hype. Now, first things first, we need to put this thing together. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm typically intimidated by instruction manuals that aren't user-friendly, but this one didn't have a bunch of pieces, and I was able to get it together all by myself in under 30 minutes. Yes, clap it up for me for that. Under 30. Now, let's see how this treadmill actually functions. It's supposed to be easy to move, and I want to move this down to my basement. I'm able to move this around very easily. Let's get on this thing ASAP. Now I'm about 200 to 205 pounds respectively, and because I'm less than 100 pounds away from the maximum weight, I really wanted to test its durability. So the incline on this treadmill is actually quite impressive. It has a 15% incline. Now this is key if you want to increase the level of output and calories burned without having to increase that speed. You can control the incline right on the handlebars as well as the speed. Additionally, you can use the treadmill's interface, but I like the option to be able to control from the handles. Another really cool feature is the heart rate monitoring system that this treadmill has. When you hold directly onto the grips, it can take your pulse and read your heart rate. This is important, especially if you're trying to stay within a certain beat per minute range for peak calorie burning and fat loss. Now let's get into this Zwift virtual running experience, because not only is it a lot of fun, it's an interactive running and training experience. You can run through virtual worlds, real courses, and be alongside other people from all over the world. Now this is cool because I'm prone to get more fatigued when I'm just running and staring at blank walls of the room versus this immersive experience. I'm looking at hills, mountains, cities, and all different types of environments and terrain that are exciting, vibrant, and adds to the running experience. Gamifying the running experience is a top level cheat code to keep you locked in and coming back for more. And as you can see, I even customized my character, and I was surprised they had the option for locks. You know, maybe not as long and voluptuous as mine, but nevertheless, they have the features. Now we got to test the weight limit because it's 300 pounds and I'm over 200. Up to 300 pounds. This feels very sturdy. Now right about here, I started getting carried away, hitting that reject, you know what I'm saying? You a jerk, I know. You a jerk, I know. You a jerk. Oh my gosh, don't quit your day job, Jay. Now looking at this treadmill overall, I have to say that for $500, this isn't just some get the job done type of treadmill, but it offers very competitive features that I'm going to just be honest about. I don't typically see in this price range. This treadmill offers an overall great experience with robust features for someone looking to get into home fitness without breaking the bank or breaking their back during assembly, or having a piece of equipment that means well, but is so full of features and buttons and components that you just leave it tucked away somewhere in the corner, collecting dust out of sheer intimidation. So if you're someone looking for an accessible home workout experience that doesn't bleed your bank, you definitely should check out the RUNS T15 Basic Treadmill. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna have to give the RUNS T15 Basic Treadmill an 8.8. I don't really give out 10s ever, but I was very, very impressed, and I'm looking forward to getting good use out of this treadmill.